Heel injuries and disorders. Introduction. The plantar fascia runs from the heel to the ball of your foot. Select true or false. Correct. The plantar fascia forms your arch. You may have a high or low arch. Low arches are sometimes referred to as flat feet. Heel pain usually doesn't mean that you have a serious medical problem. Select true or false. Correct. But you should contact your healthcare provider if you experience heel pain and symptoms of an infection, such as a fever. Does plantar fasciitis affect the back of your heel? Select yes or no. Correct. Plantar fasciitis causes pain on the underside of the heel. Overstretching the Achilles tendon may cause it to tear. Select true or false. Correct. The Achilles tendon can rupture completely or just partially. Which of these may cause heel pain? Choose one of the following options. 1. Heel spurs. 2. Bruising caused by jumping. 3. Wearing shoes that do not fit. 4. All of the above. Correct. A lot of different things can cause heel pain. You can keep problems from getting worse by wearing shoes that fit well. Select true or false. Correct. Your shoes need to fit the shape of your feet. You might need one shoe in one size and the other shoe in a different size, or you can just buy one pair of shoes in the larger size. Thank you for using Explain.